Taiwan's air defense capability has officially taken a major step forward. The long-awaited delivery of its newly built F-16 Block 70 fighter jets is finally underway. Departing directly from the United States, the first pair of production line Vipers bearing tail numbers 6727 and 6728 lifted off to begin their long ferry flight across the Pacific toward their new home island under the $7.75 billion Peace Phoenix soaring procurement program signed in 2019. Taiwan ordered a total of 66 brand new Block 70 aircraft while previous schedules faced severe supply chain bottlenecks and line relocation delays, accelerated factory operations running up to 20 hours a day have successfully pushed these advanced jets out the door and into the sky. The arrival of these aircraft marks a crucial operational upgrade. Unlike Taiwan's older fleet of upgraded Block 20 fighters, the new-build Block 70 represents the most modern iteration of the Fighting Falcon platform ever manufactured, equipped with the advanced and APG-83 Active Electronically Scanned Array (ASA) radar. The Block 70 brings fifth-generation tracking capabilities to a proven fourth-generation airframe. This radar system provides far greater detection range, faster target acquisition, and superior tracking against high-density threats and low observable aircraft in cluttered electromagnetic environments. Beyond radar improvements, these jets are outfitted with a modernized glass cockpit, an upgraded high-speed mission computer, and state-of-the-art digital electronic warfare suites. Crucially for trans-Pacific transit and tactical persistence, the Block 70 integrates fuselage-mounted conformal fuel tanks. These tanks allow the fighter to carry significantly more fuel without sacrificing underwing hardpoints for weapons payload during their oceanic flight. The aircraft rely on coordinated aerial refueling passes and scheduled intermediate maintenance stops along the route. Once they touch down in Taiwan, the newly arriving Block 70 will be assigned to strengthen defensive air wings, reinforcing critical air defense identification zones. The integration of these 66 new-build jets, paired with Taiwan's existing upgraded Viper fleet, creates a unified tactical network designed to deter regional aggression, expand patrol range, and secure the airspace. As further deliveries follow from the factory floor, Taiwan's modernized fighter fleet enters a powerful new era of readiness. Thank you for watching to the Ultra Defense.